Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to put your voice in any of your video while screen recording, but you can only use on iPhones, I think. So the only thing you need to do is swipe up, and you can see there's the thing that's blinking. So the thing that I want to do is just hold that, and you can see that's here, and you see the microphone on. So you just tap that again if it's off. So that's how you do it. So wait, yeah, see, this screen recording, microphone on, and probably in another video I'll do another gaming video. So like and subscribe.